Okay, we have a Mori-Seiki vertical machining center, model DURA vertical 5100, serial number DV005HB1327. Machine was new in 2008. We're going to run it for you. Machine has a Mori-Seiki Fanuc 504 Roman numeral 3 control. 2500 RPM. Machine has a 53.1 inch table by 23.6. It's got 41.3 inch X-axis travel. That's 6,000 RPM. The machine does go up to 10,000 RPM. It's got 20.9 inch in the Y, 20.1 in the Z. That's 8,000 RPM. Machine has a Cat 40 spindle, 30 ATC automatic tool changer, side mount. That's a tool change we're going to do again. All right. That's your Y, your X, and your Z. Machine is wired for 4+1. You have through spindle coolant. Hey, thank you for watching our video.